All right, guys, so we're just here for Bubble Fest. It's gonna be great. Gonna make this Bubble Fest vlog. Let's go. Why did I invite you? Think anyone would notice if I just did this all day? This is actually awesome.
Okay, so guys, I was just told you needed 20 tables and chairs and like 96 chairs. So you guys are placing everything where you need it to go.
All right.
So it is your space and these are your items to place where you need.
All right, so it's the staff round now. We're doing some competing 3x3 time. Okay, so I failed at 3x3, so I'm just gonna do really good at 2x2, okay? Are you okay with that? Are we cool? All right. All right, got a sub 5 2x2 average, which is maybe a PB. I'm not really sure, but I think it might be. Hi, what's your name?
I'm William.
William, nice to meet you. I'm Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
Gotta shake your hand in the frame. All right, that's me.
Okay, hang on.
We're doing a selfie.
We're doing a selfie.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna hold this all the way out. There we go.
Thank you. Can I be in the vlog?
Yeah.
Hi.
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 My face is stuck in the selfie mode. Okay. All right, so Max Park just set the North American record, 6.83 second average. That's cool. It seems like he sets a record every comp now. He pretty much does. Oh my God! Oh, no. Hey.
Hi.
It's actually a video. Tricked ya. How they can save 5% off any order at thecubicle.us with the discount code POCKETS?
Yeah.
All right, can you do that?
Yeah. You can get 5% off your order by entering
code POCKETS at thecubicle.us.
That was the first time I've signed a hockey puck. That was pretty cool. Sophie, you can't do this. This is Jacob's ladder.
Too bad, Jacob lost it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna climb all the way up to the top of this rock climbing wall. You ready?
Can I try? I did it.
That is a large cube. All right, so even though my 3x3 average wasn't that great, I did make it around 2. So hopefully I do better. Shut up, not Kevin. All right, this cube needs extra straps. Extra one. Awesome. Hey, that's me. Good job, Max.
Good job, Max. 8 seconds.
All right, so Max Park world record, 6.3 something. I'm gonna pretend that makes me happy with my performance this round. So apparently I made the 3x3 round 3 somehow, and you know what that means. Time to take back that world record average. But me, I'm not talking about Matt, me, I'm gonna do it. I swear this is what I average normally.
And in first place, an average of 6.61, which is only very slightly slower than his world record average earlier of 6.38 seconds, is Max Park. Congratulations to our podium and the season Max Park.
They gave him an In-N-Out bag because they didn't have an award. What's a bag with ketchup in it? You're defacing American currency, you're under arrest. Alright, so good competition overall. I did awfully, but there was a world record, so that's cool. And I broke my 2x2 personal best, I think. Yep, I'll see you at the next one, I guess.